Lithonia Linear is a suspended lighting platform designed specifically with ease in mind. It's easy to specify, easy to order, easy to install, and easy on the eyes. Lithonia Linear was developed because existing linear solutions simply aren't getting the job done. Strips are simple and affordable, but they're just not polished enough for front of house. Architectural solutions are beautiful. They're just expensive and overly complicated. Lithonia Linear is the perfect solution to both problems. I mean, look around us. This open ceiling architecture is a huge trend that's here to stay. And not just in new construction, but renovation as well. Oftentimes, ceilings are left open or mixed in order to save time and money. It also creates a great sense of space and style. We have a troupe of Lithonia loyalists out there who are used to coming to us for a complete array of products. And before, we haven't had a good solution for this application, but now we do. One of my favorite characteristics about Lithonia Linear is its flexibility. It's easy to use in open, solid, or grid ceilings. The sliding mounting hardware and adjustable aircraft cables make it easy to order, get on site and up in the air, and then fine-tune it to your space. This flexibility makes Lithonia Linear very easy to use in commercial offices, hospitality and healthcare lobbies, as well as retail. I see Lithonia Linear as a go-to fixture for those conference rooms where you simply need an 8 or 16-foot fixture over the table. With Lithonia Linear, we took what I like to call the Goldilocks approach. Not too many options to make it complicated, but not too few to where it's impractical to use. You basically have 4 fixture choices to choose from: 8-foot or 16-foot, power at the center, power at the end. Then choose from 3 lumen packages and 4 color temperatures, and you're off to the races. Sensors and batteries are available from the factory in order to meet local codes and buyer preferences. Then choose from 3 color finishes: white, natural aluminum, or black, to perfectly match your space. Best part is, the spec sheet is only 2 pages. It doesn't get easier than that. I think there are a few different scenarios in which you're going to use Lithonia Linear. First, I think it's a perfect fixture for those discretionary opportunities with loose specifications, short timelines, and tight budgets. Next, I think it's a great VE option for those projects that start with high-end solutions and wind up getting squeezed down later in the project. Finally, I think it's going to become a go-to anytime the contractor, distributor, or agent has used the product before. You're going to need a reason not to keep using Lithonia Linear over and over again. Well, we've tried to make finding information about Lithonia Linear easy as well. Along with a great website with all of the goodies that you would need, spec sheet, installation instructions, and IES files, we've created an amazing brochure that's available online for download. We've also created an animation showing the installation process, as well as time-lapse videos of a contractor installing a Lithonia Linear in our own offices. Finally, we have the best lighting agency network in the world trained up to help you get Lithonia Linear. If you need more information, reach out to your local Lithonia agent. I would say, and I think you would agree, the lighting industry is hard. Specifying, ordering, installing, and using light fixtures is harder than it used to be. Here at Lithonia Lighting, we're trying to make all of those challenges just a little bit easier. So if you need a linear solution that's actually easy, remember Lithonia Linear.